Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb call off and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb call off is to cancel something, to decide that something will not happen. The couple are breaking up. I can't take this anymore. I need to call off the engagement. The negotiations have broken down. We are calling the deal off because it seems you aren't holding up your end of the bargain. The sports game was cancelled today. I'm devastated because the game was called off due to the bad weather. Meaning two is when someone or something is called off, they are ordered to stop attacking or searching. The police used the dog to find the drugs. Butch found exactly what we're looking for. We called him off after he found it for us. After the abduction, the child had been found. Thank God the child was found safe. We can call off the search now. So let's look back on what we covered. Call off can mean to cancel something, to decide that something will not happen. The workers got their demands met, so they called off the strike. When someone or something is called off, they are ordered to stop attacking or searching. Okay, call your dogs off before they bite me. Where did you hear the phrasal verb call off? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.